Hi, this is Mike from Arturia, and in this video I'll be showing you how to sync your Minibrute to the Spark Creative drum machine. First, connect the MIDI out from Spark to the MIDI in on the Minibrute. Okay, so now that we've got our Minibrute connected to our Spark via MIDI, you need to go into Spark's preferences up here and make sure that the MIDI output is turned on. So it should be checked here where it says Spark Controller Public Out. Make sure that's set right in that field right there. Go ahead and close out of there. And then on your UI here, make sure you go to the top panel and click on these preferences and go to the MIDI section and make sure that Send MIDI Clock is turned on. Make sure that is set to yes. So you can go ahead and go back to your sequencer if you want. We'll just go back to the main center panel here. I've got some drums, and I've got my Minibrute here. And I'm going to go ahead and turn on my metronome in Spark. And I'm going to go ahead and start playing some beats in. We'll keep it real simple. We'll keep it straight forward to the floor for the sake of this demonstration. Cool, so I've got a drum loop going there, and I'm going to go ahead and turn mute on. I'm going to just play with the mutes here rather than going from pattern to pattern. So I can mute all these parts and then unmute them. So the next step I'm going to do is turn my arpeggiator on. And right now the Minibrute's arpeggiator will sync to Spark's clock. So okay, and we'll go ahead and set the arpeggiator to hold. Now if it sounds a little bit off, all you need to do the first time you do this is just go to your preferences and slide this parameter here until it locks in. And you're good to go. If you turn the clock switch here to arpeggiator, it'll lock in the LFO to the arpeggiation. And that is how you sync your Minibrute to your Spark Creative drum machine.